Hello everyone, we start our mission again. We do ticks removal. Why are ticks dangerous? How can we protect our dog from this monster?
Vô cái ấy pa. Itu aku tiap. Tak ada.
Living in the wet place means that you and your dog are almost always at risk for tick bites. Common that in every region, ticks carry serious diseases like Lyme disease, with spring in full swing and summer on the way. We should be aware of ways to identify and prevent ticks from harming us and our lovely dog. We are going to do ticks removal. Ticks are dangerous, and how we can protect our dog. Did you know ticks are part of the same family as spider? They have 8 legs and range in color from dark reddish black to light or dark brown. They can be as small as a sesame seed. However, after feeding, a tick can get as big as a quarter. Ticks like warm areas, so we will most likely find them on the back of the dog, ears, dog paws, and underarm, among other areas. Once ticks have attached themselves to dog body, they will stay there for weeks. A tick bite doesn't feel like anything at all. Because of this, they often go unnoticed. This is why it's important to always check your dog body after spending time outdoor, even when your own backyard. Ticks are commonly found outdoors in the wood areas, and even in backyards. Here's what you can do to keep our loved dogs protected. Like we said before, looking in warmer areas of dog body, like in the eases and armpit and the hair of paws.
Bánh bao với bánh không? Bố tiết. Tí chắc không được.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page for latest video. Thank you.